Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, okay? Share my video to people that you think that might need it. So, guys, today we are making abacha, also known as African salad. So, this is a very delicious Nigerian meal that is native to Igbo people in Nigeria. When you visit an Igbo person in Igbo land, they are going to serve you this. After they have served you the normal kola nut, which is a symbol of acceptance in Igbo land, you are going to be served abacha, that's African salad. This meal is very delicious and is very easy to make. Like when I mean easy, I mean easy. Easy to prepare, and it's so yummy. You're going to love it. So guys, without wasting much time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, to prepare this Nigerian recipe, I'll be using my abacha. So normally this abacha is always dried. After you have finished preparing it, you're going to sun it for some days and it's going to be dried. So now I've soaked it in hot water to loosen it, and this is it. It's soft now. I soaked it for 8 minutes. And here is my uba. I'll be using my uba here. This is optional. If you don't want to add it, it's fine, but I'm going to be adding it for this recipe. So this is my chopped onions. You can use more onions, you can use less onions if you want to. And here is my crayfish. Yes, you need crayfish for this recipe. Crayfish actually takes this. There is no abacha without crayfish. Let me just put it like that. And here is my seasoning cube and my roasted calabash nutmeg. Yes, when you're going to buy this calabash nutmeg, you have to tell them in the market that you need a roasted one, okay? Or you can buy it and roast it at home yourself. And this is my edible potash. I just added water to it to dissolve it, okay? So now we are going to start now by adding in palm oil in a dried pot. This pot is already on a very low heat, okay, on a very low heat. So there's no need for you to allow this oil to get hot. Just go ahead now to start adding in your potash water. We are not going to bleach, or we're not going to fry this oil. There's no need. Just go ahead now to start adding in the potash water. So I'm going to be adding in the potash water bit by bit, and when adding it in, be very careful so that the particles won't enter inside your sauce, okay, because there is sand in it. So I'm just going to be adding it, and I'll keep stirring this until the consistency that you want. You are going to stir this until it becomes thick, and you see that the color will change from red to orange. So I'm going to be adding that the quality of your abacha depends solely on your palm oil. See here, this palm oil messed up this abacha for me. See this Lagos palm oil, it just messed it up for me. So when you are making your abacha, make sure that you are getting a very good palm oil, because the quality of your abacha depends on your palm oil, okay? So now you can see the oil have changed color to orange, and this is what we are going for. Now I'll be adding in my onions. You can add more onions, you can add less onions. It all depends on you, okay? I will go in now with my fresh pepper. Just add pepper to your preference. I'll add in my crayfish now. And then I'll be grating in my calabash nutmeg. That's my ewu. They have the powdered one. If you can get the powdered one, it's fine. But if not, it's either you grate it or you use your mortar or your grinder to grind it, anyone. So I'm just going to mix all of this together now. And then I'll be adding in my oba. Sorry guys, I've already added my seasoning cube. I didn't capture that part. I'm so sorry. So I'll be adding in my oba now. And then I'm going to be mixing this. So I'll be adding in salt to taste to balance it. I tested for salt and I needed to add in salt. So I'm just going to mix this now. Please get a good palm oil, okay? And now I'll be going in with my abacha. So guys, I'm just going to mix everything together. I will add in my remaining crayfish now. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, okay? You are welcome to this beautiful family. To my host and returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support your girl. I'm grateful. So guys, this is what we have. Our abacha is ready. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, why now? Why haven't you subscribed? Why haven't you subscribed? Please click on the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and share, okay? Share my video, okay? So guys, this is what we have. Our plate of deliciousness is ready. Thank you for watching and please stay safe. Bye.